What is public relations for healthcare? When it comes to healthcare, public relations is just using communication tools like news releases, social media accounts, and traditional media to get a message out that is important for medicine or public health management. Healthcare public relations is a type of public relations, and it has some things in common with other types of public relations. However, it also has its own problems and needs special skills. Communication plans in other fields don't often have the direct and wide-ranging effect on people's health that medical PR can. This is very clear during health situations when cities, states, or countries quickly and carefully send out an educational communications plan to keep people safe. Healthcare PR is more powerful than other types of PR, which means that people who work in it have a bigger responsibility to be accurate and plan ahead. Don't worry though. You can use what you learn about this niche in your next public relations effort to reach the right people, send the right message, and get the right result. Top 3 reasons why public relations is important in healthcare today. It's no secret that healthcare public relations efforts have a big effect on how people use healthcare. In this day and age, medical facilities are able to get patients from outside their main areas of practice by using a variety of public relations techniques to become thought leaders in one or more specialties. These patients usually do a lot of research online before making an appointment. By the way, for a more comprehensive understanding, check out our customized marketing course for the healthcare sector, where we discuss these strategies in depth, backed by real-life examples. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment. People used to have to assume that every hospital and doctor was about the same because they didn't have enough knowledge. The smartphone-toting consumer of 2024 eats up recommendations, reviews, media placement, and other signs of quality or trustworthiness, and not just when they're looking for medical help. They do this every time they consume something. This change is very important for healthcare workers and public health groups because they need to come up with a medical PR plan, or else a lot of other messages will drown out your facility, practice, organization, etc., no matter how great it is. There is good news, though. Healthcare public relations doesn't have to be hard to work, and it can improve the public's relationship with you in a number of ways, whether you're a policymaker or a service. Some of these perks are education, trust, leadership in the community. Let's talk about those in more depth. 1. Teach outside of hospital. In purely business situations, it might be too much to say that running a PR effort is a public service. But when it comes to healthcare PR, the line between what's in the public interest and what's in the business interest is less clear. After all, healthcare PR talks a lot about new medical discoveries, health issues, and ways to fix them that the public should know about. This type of PR is useful for more than just how it affects a company's bottom line because it can teach people something. In a medical PR effort, you can pick a health problem or issue that you think is important, put together the facts that support your point of view, and give the public clear, strong advice. It's impossible to know how people will react to your suggestions, but through healthcare public relations, you can use an educational communications plan to help a community. 2. Helps people trust you. There are a lot of strange words, traditions, and ideas in the medical field. People who aren't involved in healthcare may not trust these secrets, but healthcare public relations can help restore trust in healthcare providers, medical methods, or the system as a whole. Again, medical PR messaging focuses on plain language that people will find appealing without much work on their part. A skilled public relations firm can help your hospital or health group gain trust and goodwill in the community by highlighting your new ideas, clinical results, and the good things people are saying about your work. 3. Brings people together. In healthcare, public relations can bring people together by showing them how their lives fit into a bigger picture. People are drawn to a sense of hope and community that you can create by putting together different patient experiences on one site, like your blog or writing about health conditions that are hard for people to find good information about elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, you'll love our customized marketing course for the healthcare sector, where we dive even deeper into these topics with real-life case studies. The course link is in the description and the first pinned comment.